Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to send pictures on Character AI. Now first of all you need to open Character AI, then come and log in into your account. Now once you are logged in, you are going to try to send picture through chats. Now we are going to choose the person that we want to send to pictures. Let's say we want to send to this one, and you'll open the chat. Now normally when you want to send pictures through chats, you will always see a plus icon here, and for this case there is no plus icon. Now for us to have that plus icon, just go to the address at the top right there, and you will see a 2, chat 2. Now remove that 2, you can delete that 2, then press enter. Now it is right here. Now once you press enter, the icon for sending pictures will be here. Now you just need to click on it and you will be able to create image or upload image. That's how simply you can send pictures on Character AI. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.